In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off selection window in AutoCAD. If you've ever clicked in a crowded area of your drawing and seen a little pop-up list asking which object you meant to select, that's the selection window people often talk about. In AutoCAD, this feature is called selection cycling. It's useful when several lines, polylines, or blocks overlap because it lets you choose the exact object from a list. But in fast-paced drafting, that pop-up can get in the way, slow down your clicks, and interrupt your flow. The good news is you can turn it off instantly with a single setting. Before we start, a quick note so we're on the same page. We're not talking about the green or blue window you drag to select multiple objects. This is the small pop-up near your cursor that appears when you click where multiple objects overlap. If that's what's been bothering you, here's how to disable it. With your drawing open, look down to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Click there so it's active, then type selection cycling and press enter. This is the system variable that controls whether that overlapping object pop-up shows up. AutoCAD will prompt you for a new value. Type 0 and press enter. Setting this value to 0 turns the feature off. That's it. There's no dialog to hunt for and no hidden panel to expand. Just that one command and a single value. Now, let's quickly confirm the change. Click in a spot where you know objects overlap, maybe an intersection of lines or a dense detail. You should notice that the selection pop-up no longer appears. Your click will select whichever object is under your cursor, just like a normal single object pick. If you need to select something behind it, you can still zoom in for precision or adjust your pick angle, but you won't be interrupted by that list anymore. A couple of practical notes. First, this setting typically sticks with your AutoCAD environment, so you won't need to repeat it every time you open a drawing. Second, turning off selection cycling can make busy drawings feel faster because you won't be pausing to choose from a list. And finally, if you ever want to revisit this behavior later, just remember the same command name you used today. That's all there is to it. You learned what the selection window is, why it appears, and the quick, reliable way to turn it off by using selection cycling and setting its value to 0. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.